All right, boys and girls, we are on day 3 of our lunch money text. Today is the last day. You are going to finish reading the entire text and then answer your exit tickets. Day 2, we looked at how Greg was creating the chunky comics. And we are going to go in. We're going to have some words here in our text that are going to be either difficult to read or pronounce, also difficult to understand. So we're going to be using a Google search engine to help us understand that. After all the hows had been settled, then came the writing. But Greg hadn't written just one story. He had developed a master publishing plan. Volume 1 was going to be about Creon, an incredibly intelligent Stone Age hero who helped his tribe deal with ancient dangers like prehistoric beast and Cro-Magnon marauders. So right here I'm seeing a few things. Creon, it could be pronounced Croon. It could be pronounced however the Andrew Clements wanted to say it, but because it has that capital C here, I know that it's a proper noun. I know it's the name. I can say it however I want to. Creon, I went with it, it's stuck there. Then we come down here, like prehistoric, broke that up into the syllables, and Cro-Magnon, again, capital letters, that's going to be that proper noun. That's going to be the name of something. I don't know what a Cro-Magnon is, so I'm going to go here to my internet. So Cro-Magnon marauders. Go to my internet, and I had already done the, I already have it pulled up, but I just typed in Cro-Magnon, and here's what came up. Cro-Magnon is the name scientists once used to refer to what's now early modern humans. So it is a old version of humans. Notice it looks very similar to what a human skull looks like. So it's just an ancient human. And then the word marauder is going to be a person who raids. So a person who goes in and steals things. So they're looking at old historic people who stole things. So Creon and his tribe are battling dangers like prehistoric beasts, which could be dinosaurs, and Cro-Magnon marauders, so people who steal things. Greg figured there could be 7 or 8 issues about Creon. Chunky Comics Volume 2 would feature the future, where a superhero named Eon tried to protect a small colony of humans living in a world of melting ice caps and mutant life forms, and were part human, part toxic sludge, and part recycled trucks and airplanes. Again, there would be 7 or 8 issues featuring Eon. So he's going from past to future, from volume 1 to volume 2, and he has multiple plans of what he could do. So an issue is going to be one, and let's think about it like this. So we have a show. Let's use a show that you guys have watched. We could say Phineas and Ferb. So Phineas and Ferb is going to be the volume or the season. So Phineas and Ferb season 1, volume 1. And then there's going to be 7 or 8 issues or episodes of Phineas and Ferb. So we have the entire season, and then we come here to the episodes. So season 1 is going to be about Creon, and each episode, 7 or 8 episodes, are going to be about Creon and what he's doing with those prehistoric beasts and marauders. Then we have here, season 2, it's not going to be about Creon, but it's going to be about Eon, which sounds very similar. I'm wondering if they could be related. And here we have an image showing us what they look like. And you can kind of see here that Creon is like dressed kind of like a caveman, whereas Eon is dressed like Superman, so in the future. So your job now is you are going to finish reading our story, 2 pages, which of lunch money, and going in to Edsby and answering your exit tickets.